welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Meg. Back over there is Luna, and today I'm going to be talking about Fanola's new vegan formula of their No Yellow shampoo. If you missed my previous videos reviewing the Fanola shampoo and discussing the difference between the purple formula and the blue formula, I will have it linked up above and also down below if you're curious to know more about the difference between the shampoos and what each one is meant for. I really go in depth in that video. Today I want to talk about their new formula. They recently came out with a vegan formula, which is absolutely amazing because I love this shampoo. So this is what the old bottle looks like versus the new bottle. And I have to say, I definitely like the packaging on the new bottle a lot better. It's definitely more appealing and draws you in, and I just really like it. Other differences are the scents. There's a slight difference in fragrance, but the new vegan one has more of the berry scent to it, and it's a little bit more powerful, and I like it a lot, okay? This old scent, it was all right. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't the hugest fan of it. It's not anything terrible. Again, it's pretty flowery and fruity smelling, but this one, I just think it smells so much better. So I really love the new scent to the formula. And then of course, they also brought the vegan formula onto their mask as well. And this also has the same scent as the shampoo. So again, not that big of a difference in the components, just a difference in the coloring. Over here, I'm interested if there's a difference in the coloring between the vegan and non-vegan formula. So here, closest to this folded edge is the vegan formula. And right next to it is the old one. So this side vegan formula, this side old formula. It pretty much looks exactly the same. The texture was just a little bit different, but then again, this is also older, so that could be why. Again, color-wise, it is the exact same. I have the vegan formula over here and the old original formula over here. So it looks pretty similar. But I will say that I did notice a difference with the vegan formula. When I used the shampoo, I felt like it was somehow even more moisturizing, because the old formula, I raved about this, and the first time I reviewed the products, is that a lot of purple shampoos can leave our hair feeling a little bit dry, a little bit hay-like, but this was the first purple shampoo I tried that actually left my hair hydrated. This, I feel like, moisturized my hair even further than the original formula, and then the mask was also really nice. In this video, I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to show you different steps of what my hair looked like before, what it looks like in its current state, and I will wrap up with my final thoughts. I just wanted to give a quick overview. Before we get into the process of me showing you how this works throughout the video, I just want to give you some information on the new No Yellow. So according to their website, they completely reformulated this in the summer of 2018. Apparently the old formula has been around since 2004, so I think that it's amazing that they took the steps to reformulate, and it's also vegan friendly. It says that a plus is that it will speed the creation of the signature Fanola Silver Ash Tone. If you guys are not familiar, Fanola, this is on Salon Guys' website, which is a professional website for those that are hairdressers and hair professionals, but you are able to buy the shampoo and the mask. You don't need to be a professional to use this at home. It is also free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens, which can be damaging to hair. It is going to neutralize undesired yellow reflections, and it is ideal for blonde, gray, or bleached hair. Definitely fall under all of those categories. The shampoo is made with a vibrant violet pigment that turns down the yellow or lightened hair to be less noticeable. No Yellow is used for bleach, blonde, streaked, and gray hair to powerfully and quickly achieve the silver ash look, and I do have to say that that is true. Again, with this formula and with this brand in particular, I don't need to do long sessions of it on my hair. It says to only leave it on for about 5 minutes. You're gonna notice the difference after the 5 minutes. You'll see. You'll see, just keep watching. And there's pretty similar, almost exact information about the mask as there is the shampoo. Again, if you're curious to know more, I'll have the link to the website down below. But now let's go ahead and get into the part of the video where I actually show you how this works instead of just talking about it. So this is what my hair looks like about 1 month of having it colored and toned. There's still some brassiness in here, as you can tell, because it's quite the process to go. My root color is pretty dark to bring all really light. So anyways, it's been a little bit over a month, so it's time to tone at home. So because I feel like my hair really needs a lift, I'm gonna go with the mask because it's more heavy duty than the shampoo. So to apply it, I'm just gonna section it off. Of course, you can apply it with wet hair, but today I think it's a more of an impact, you can apply it on dry hair. So that is what I'm going to do to get it to stretch a little bit further. So I'm just gonna section off my hair and just apply it. I'm also gonna show you guys what it does to your hands if you don't wear gloves, because if you're lazy like me, you don't have gloves or you don't feel like putting them on. So we'll see how much this stains our hands. To prep my hair, you can of course just do this in the shower, clean your hair with a clarifying shampoo or like a really good cleansing shampoo, and then just put it on in the shower. You know, shave your legs, wash your body, wash your face, exfoliate, do whatever it is you need to do for the couple of minutes and just let it sit on your hair in the shower. You can do that. But for me, I prepped my hair last night, so to prep, I use the Pure Adore Enriching Shampoo. I absolutely love this. It is an organic shampoo. It's my favorite shampoo. It makes my hair super clean. I have really fine, oily hair, so my hair stays the least greasy the longest when I use this. I used to be able to get it at Ulta, but I feel like they're discontinuing this. So I had to buy mine on Amazon last time. But anyways, it's organic and natural. I really like it, really enjoy it. Gets my hair super clean, and I just use the matching conditioner because my hair is also, while it's fine, it's also very dry. So my ends need it, especially now that it's color treated. And now we can move on to the mask. You just want to massage and rub the product throughout the hair so you get a nice even coating. The good thing about this product being a different color is that you can see the areas where you need to apply more or where you may have missed application. And here is the after with my hands in staining. Not terribly bad. It will always stain around your fingernails because of the skin that's under your nails. It's more prone to clinging to, but really not terrible. I just washed my hands twice with dish soap, and that was that. It came off really easily. The only thing with applying to your hair dry is that it's going to take a little bit longer, and I can see a little spot that I missed, so now I get to go wash my hands again. It's going to take a little longer to apply this to dry hair. So applying this all over my head took me about 10 minutes versus the maybe 2 minutes it would take if you were in the shower. So the directions say to leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes, go take a shower, and be back to show you the results. So this is what the after looks like. Don't mind my hair. I literally just let it air dry, so I still need to run a brush through it. But you can see it's lightened up quite a bit, especially the ends that are like super highlighty. Those really lightened up. If you stare a lot, you can see, like, I mean, you really have to be intensely staring at my hair and really close up to see like very slight purple tones on the lightest pieces. On camera, it's definitely looking more white, but in natural lighting, it's like a slight hint of purple, which I don't mind Just know if it's something that you're not a fan of, the next time you wash your hair, it will wash out. So I'm kind of curious to see how much lighter I can get my hair to go, because I still do have a lot of yellow tone in here that I'm working on with my hairdresser to correct. So the next time I wash my hair, I think I'm going to cheat and break the rules. Well, it's not really cheating and breaking rules, it's just not following directions. I think I'm gonna leave it on my hair for a longer amount of time to really help lighten it up. I used to do this all the time with other Purple shampoos. I would leave it, like the Purple one, I would leave on my hair for like 40 minutes to an hour to get it to lighten up, and then I wouldn't need to use it for like another month or two. So I think I'm gonna use either the mask or the shampoo and just leave it on my head for X amount of time, and I'll update you on that. Just so you know, when I did go to rinse the mask out of my hair, I took a little bit of shampoo and kind of worked it in right before I rinsed everything out. So, not bad, not bad. And I will see you guys in a few days with the update, and for you, it'll be in 1 second. I just peeled my falsies off. I was actually about to get in the shower, and then I realized I need to film this. So, yesterday, I, on clean hair, took the shampoo and I just really massaged it in. I let it sit on my head. I took like one of those twisty towels and I just let it sit on my hair for 40 minutes so it can really get in there and brighten things up and tone things. So this is kind of what I'm left with. You can see my super bleach spots are left with purple in them. Which is fine for me. If you're concerned about it for work or something, once you wash your hair again, it'll pretty much be gone. I'm about to go wash my hair again now because even though it does a good job of hydrating, and I just washed it yesterday, my hair is starting to look pretty greasy because that Purple shampoo is that thick and hydrating. So I just wanted to share, this is a difference of taking the shampoo and just like letting it sit on your hair for a long period of time. Obviously that's not in the directions to do. It's just something that I do to really help get any extra gold warm tones out of my hair. I am here for a very final check-in. I promise you are going to be done seeing me very, very soon. But in case you want to see more, subscribe and check out my other videos. Anyways, I said in my last segment that when you leave it on for a very long time, typically when you go to wash your hair the next time, most of it or it will wash out. I did wash my hair again, so you can see that there are still some purple reflections happening. Most of it did wash out. So if you are nervous, if you do have a job that doesn't allow you to have any kind of color in your hair whatsoever, perhaps this could be a good weekend project for you. But in another wash, most of the purple should be completely gone from my hair, and I should have like these very nice silver tones that you can see at the ends, the way the light is reflecting. That is what the rest of my hair is going to be left with that is still looking a little bit purple. So right up here in front seems to be where it is stuck the most. This is by far my favorite purple shampoo mask formula that I have used. I definitely recommend this. If you are interested in picking it up, I will have the links down below. I'm not sure, you can try my discount code. I'm not sure if it's still working or not, but you can go ahead, try to see if you can save yourself a deal. Hopefully there are some Black Friday deals coming out with this. I'm not 100% sure if there is or not, but anyways, if you're looking for a good shampoo, this is well worth the money. But yeah, that is going to wrap it up for this video on the new vegan formula from Fanola and how to lighten and get your hair looking right and looking proper without having to go to a million trips to the salon. So hopefully you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my other videos. And speaking of my other videos, looky right here, I know you want to see more and catch up, so click them and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.